What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video we are doing a Threadbeast review. We're gonna go over what exactly is inside when you get it, who exactly should be buying this, and of course if this is worth the money. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video to find out how exactly you can get some free items within your first purchase from Threadbeast. So without further ado, guys, let's just get into the video. So first things first, no, I am not sponsored by Threadbeast. They did not pay me to make this video. I bought this with my own money. So these are going to be my genuine, honest opinions about Threadbeast and what exactly the package contains and everything inside of it. Now, some of you are probably wondering, or nobody's wondering, either way, this is a reselling channel. Why exactly are you doing an unboxing or like a review on some type of clothes? Well, number one, I've actually been wanting to try Threadbeast for a while now, since like a couple years ago, 2016, 2017, that sort of time. Quite honestly, the drip is like non-existent with me. I'm like the throw the graphic tee with some Vans on type of guy. I'm super simple. I don't want to overdo it. Honestly, don't know how to even dress. So that's really why I wanted to try it. In the past, I thought that Threadbeast, why spend over $50 a month for clothes I'm probably not going to even like, that someone else is going to choose out for me? Why spend that money? Honestly, I didn't even have that money at that time to just spend it on clothes every month, so I didn't even want to try it. But finally, I think everything's come back full circle, and it's time for me to try Threadbeast. Because really, my go-out clothes is just really the same recycled outfits that I just keep reusing and just putting different shirts and shorts and pants with. Well, one of the main reasons I got this, as far as this is a reselling channel, as of course you guys know, hopefully anything that we get in here that we don't like or don't use, that doesn't fit for whatever reason, we can actually resell, actually get some of that money back, or even make a profit on this thing. So this is actually their essential package. It's the tier right above basic. I actually went ahead and ordered this box via a YouTuber's referral link. His name is Tobias Holenstein. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. But I was actually just looking up, Threadbeast reviews, if they're even a good company, all that stuff. And he actually does really, really good in-depth videos about all the boxes he gets and what exactly comes in the boxes. He does really good in-depth videos about Threadbeast. So if you guys are interested in something like that, go check out his channel. It's really cool. But yeah, via that referral link, I was able to get an extra $50 worth of items or clothes inside my first box. Also at no extra cost. So just thank you, Tobias, for that. So now, going through the process of creating your profile, you get asked pretty standard profiling, like styling questions. First question was, what's your style? I went ahead with like casual, relaxed sort of style. They answered different questions of like, what's your height, your weight, and all that, just to get your measurements right. But they also asked, what colors do you like? And I was gonna go for something just, mute, or like something casual that I usually wear. But this time I kind of got out of my comfort zone, just kind of, see what else is out there. I went for bright and stand out in the crowd. We are getting closer to summer, so maybe those bright colors, maybe I get some yellows or some pinks in there. Just, stand out, just feeling really summery vibes. Hopefully I get some of that stuff in here. But also, that's something I would just really never go for. Like this shirt's black, that's the type of colors that I go for. Usually grays, blacks, whites, just something neutral that I can just wear with everything all the time. So after I entered all my payment info, all of that, it took a week for them to curate my box and style my box. And then a week from that time, they sent it to me and it arrived here at my doorstep. So around 2 weeks from when I created and ordered my box, it showed up. Now, first impressions of the box, it was actually a lot bigger than I thought. I don't know if that's because if it's the essential package or because I got $50 extra worth of stuff in here. I really like the box. It's, like I said, a lot bigger. It's like a really big shoe box. This might sound kind of weird because I've seen the Threadbeast. It's been around forever, but I really like the box. Like, it's dope. Like, I don't know. I like the logo. That's like a shoelace. Really cool packaging. I just think it's dope. So yeah, guys, real quick before we crack into this, like I said before, this is the essential package. It was $85, but I did get, like I said, via the link, an extra $50 in here, but usually it's $85 for the essential, $55 for the basic. I know the basic box, it's going to have 2 to 3 items. This is supposed to have 4 to 5, but I don't know with the extra 50 how much is in here. So, obviously just your purchase may vary. But in a little bit, stay to the end of the video. I will give you guys a link to get an extra $50 as well in your first purchase on Threadbeast. If you go into Essential Package, you cannot do it on Basic. I tried. I was trying to do the least possible one because I'm Basic, right? But you can only do it on Essential. But, an extra $30 to get an extra, like, couple, like 3 or 4 pairs of items or clothes. I think it's just a good deal. So 30 bucks to me. I was able to do that. Obviously, if it's not within your means, don't do it. But without further ado, guys, let's just crack into this box and see what is inside. All right, so let's get this cracked open. No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's just really cumbersome to try and open it with this. But this is actually a pretty sharp sword, so I'm actually, I'm kind of scared. But let's crack into it. I know this is just like not a big deal, but like I've been waiting to do this for like a long time, so this is kind of dope. Let you guys see the box first, so I don't have to see it. What's it look like? It look like, is it dope in here? Huh? Is it dope? Can you guys see? I can't see. Is it trash? Oh, you can't see it. Oh, thread bees. No, don't really need this. First impressions, like I said, we can't see anything, but I do see some yellow in there, some red, some colors that I honestly don't get. So I'm already kind of pumped about that. Who knows what they are, but like I said, I don't get these colors already, so let's see what exactly, if they're good or not. Aha, this is dope. Really, it's dope. I got this shirt. Boom. I think it's pretty cool. It's a nice little dope tee. It just says dope. I actually kind of like just the simplistic dope on it. I don't really like a lot of stuff on clothes. So this simple dope, it says the dope brand. So yeah, I mean, it looks like it fits. I'm gonna see a part 2 video. I'll try all this stuff on, but so far, that's not a bad shirt. I'd rock this. Number 1, Thread Beast, you got me. Pretty good. So the second one is yellow. Von Dutch. This shirt actually MSRP is for $38. You guys can see that. $38, Von Dutch. I've never heard of this brand, I don't think. Pretty cool shirt. I'd rock it. Why not? I wish they... I have a bad problem of like, I buy the shirt, I just don't know how to properly wear it and look cool with it. But maybe if I can find like a flannel or something, right? Some flannel, some black jeans or something, probably rock this. But yeah, see, I like shirts like this because I can just rock them with like gym shorts or just around the house. So this is definitely dope. Second item, dope. Well, the first item was dope, but second item, very cool. So the third item in the box is these sweatpants. Now, sweatpants, I actually, believe it or not, sweatpants, I do not have one pair of sweatpants. Like, even in the winter, I was going to go to Walmart and just buy some, but I literally don't have any. So I hope these are cool because I don't have any. Stay gold. I don't know what that means. Stay gold, actually, my wife now, she says stay golden, so this is kind of cool that I can get some of these pants. I don't know, she says stay golden. Oh, they're from Benny Gold. That makes sense. So stay gold. Benny Gold right there. Pretty cool pants. I don't know. I mean, I'd rock these for sure, obviously. I get, if anyone gives me clothes ever, I rock them, but 3 items into the box. I think it's dope so far. Give it a 1 out of 10 on like just how many of the items I like. I like all 3, so I think I'm giving it a 9 out of 10 so far. Like, and I'll probably give it an 8.5. The sweatpants, I don't really like writing on them, but I like them. They're dope. So fourth item in this box from Boulevard Supply. Never heard of Boulevard Supply, but again, this is just a plain black tee. I rock that. Why not? I don't have any plain black long sleeves. Oh, it's got this little palm tree here on the side too. Pretty cool. I mean, just plain tee. Hey, I mess with that. It's got little pockets here on the side. Dope. Can't complain. All right, so now here I can already see we ran into our first issue because I do not wear this type of item. So the next item actually is from Pink Dolphin. And now I love Pink Dolphin. I think it's dope, but I would not wear this. I just don't wear this style of hat. I think it looks corny on me. see Exhibit A. What do you guys think? Corny as hell, right? With my glasses and everything. Oh man, I hate Fit. I can already tell it look whack as hell. Bruh. But besides that, it actually has nothing to do with the hat itself. I actually think, you know, if I wore fitted hats, or not even hats, just the brim hats like this with the bill on them, I think if I wore them, I think it'd actually be a really cool hat. Like, look at this, like, design on it, or logo, graphic, whatever you want to call it. It's got the pink dolphin thing in the back. I like the color. It's pop. Honestly, I can see this being worn with that just like plain black long sleeve if I could rock this hat. But you know, maybe I'll get into them. I doubt it, but this is definitely gonna be a resale item. Just I can already tell. Yeah, it's actually a cool hat. I actually enjoy like this little bomb thing. I forget the thing's name, but a little bomb. But Pink Dolphin, obviously a good brand. I really like it. Think it's dope. Yeah, just not for me. Oh snap. Yo, the last thing in this box is something I've actually been wanting for a while. I know it's gonna, again, this is gonna be like so anticlimactic for y'all, but because I've been wanting one, it's just super perfect. So the last thing inside of this box is actually a Herschel backpack. I know Herschel, you know, it's obviously been around for a while, but I really like the Herschel backpacks, and I've actually been needing and looking, been procrastinating on buying a backpack. I just keep forgetting to buy one, and everything comes full circle. I got the Herschel backpack and just any backpack I've been looking for. Quick, it even has the laptop thing. Let's just open this up. I'm actually really excited. Actually, let's look at the outside first. So it's got the Herschel logo. Actually kind of think it's like iconic at this point. I think Herschel's a really dope brand. And honestly, at the very least, I could actually resell this if I don't like it, if I end up, you know, trying it out and I don't, you know, like the way it feels or just like the inside. I love the color of it. It's super dope, super hipster. Maybe that's the direction I'm going with now. But, you know, even on the, I don't know if you guys can see, even on the, you know, zippers, they got the Herschel logo on there. So that's pretty dope. Let's look inside. Oh snap! Yo, this is dope. This is like I'm actually pretty, like, these are cool. Like, look at the inside. Like, it's dope. Like, it's like striped, like lined on the inside. I don't know if can you guys see it? It's like pink and red. Or is it red and white? Yeah, it's red and white. It's a dope combo though. Yo, I really like this. Welcome to Herschel. Wow, can't be. Thanks for accepting me, guys. I can't complain about this backpack. It's super dope. Really excited about this last item. I thought I wasn't because I saw a lot. So I didn't know what it was at the very bottom. I'm like, what is that? And I was gonna be pissed, but yo, this is dope. Actually, I'm pretty happy about that. Dude, that's so sick, dude. Damn. Dude, that's dope. I can't. All right, so just to recap, I got 6 items in my box. Out of the 6, I liked 4 of them. Kind of 5, the sweatpants, I do like, and I'm gonna try them on and see exactly if they fit right or if actually they look better than I think. But for right now, what I'm going to resell, or what I have plans on reselling, it's probably gonna be these Benny Gold sweatpants. The only reason, like I said, I have to try them on first, but this Stay Gold thing. Now, it's not the worst thing in the world, honestly. Like, it's even gray. It's not like it's a color. Like, it's like, you know, it's just gray. But I'm definitely gonna be reselling this. Or, you know, maybe if a friend wants it, but I'm definitely gonna be selling this. Who knows? Here's some sold comps. By that point, I already looked it up. But here's some sold comps on what exactly, you know, I could get for this hat. It's just something I just won't wear. I know I won't wear it. The style I had, even the colors, just, you know, I did pink bright stand out in the crowd colors, and they definitely accomplished that with the yellows and the reds. Even the backpack is like a, you know, dusty, like sand peach color. So they definitely accomplished that. I'm not upset about the box whatsoever. So my final thoughts on Threadbeast on my first box. My first box, absolutely great. I'd give it a 9 out of 10. I enjoyed everything. That might be a little inflated because of my want and need for this backpack. Even the 2 graphic tees, even the plain black long sleeve that I got, I think those are dope. Even obviously the backpack, but the other 2, even those are some good reselling options that I could probably, you know, flip and make some more money off of. But yeah, my first experience with Threadbeast is dope. I'm actually going to keep the subscription for another month and see exactly if the second box is just as good, or if this is just like the first box that they give you just to get you in the door, you know, like kind of like put all the good stuff in the first box, right? So if you guys enjoyed that Threadbeast unboxing and review, please drop a like if you enjoyed it. Drop a comment saying that I should do these more or I shouldn't do these more. Tell me what your experiences have been with Threadbeast, if you like it or not. So if you guys want to get an extra $50 as well within your first purchase on the Essential Package or above, I will drop a referral link in the description that you guys can click on. Use that to get $50 more inside of your box. If it's anything like this, I think it's definitely worth it. I click that referral link, it'll help you out at no extra cost, and then I think I actually get a free box because of your purchase, so that we can do more reviews and stuff like that. So you'll be definitely helping me out. I'll shout you out if you guys use my referral link, whatever you guys want to do. If you guys have if you're an artist or if you have a streaming channel, do the same thing that Tobias did. I think it's a really cool idea. So if you guys have something that you want to promote, if you use the referral link and you buy through there and I get a box, DM me on Instagram. You guys can find me there. You guys already know. But yeah, guys, that's going to be it for this video. Just something a little bit different. If you guys enjoyed the content, if you find this a little bit more entertaining than the reselling stuff, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't to the channel already. Once again, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Fernando. I'm a part-time reseller. All I do is I take stuff from estate sales, thrift stores, online sales, and I sell them on sites like eBay, Offer, Mercari. I also make videos on how to not get scammed on those sites. So stick around for that. If you guys enjoy videos like that, please subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway at $1,000. So if you guys, if you're still a subscriber to the channel, make sure you stay subscribed with notifications on. At 1,000 subscribers, we're doing an Amazon gift card giveaway. So you definitely want to stay tuned for that. All you got to do is be subscribed to the channel. Make sure you have notifications on. We're going to talk about more on the next video as well. That's going to be it for today's video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, I will see you on the next one.
2020s, all the cash, yeah, got my dollars up, I'm on 50 racks, oh yeah, I put my mans on, I'm on G-Time.